Away from that, let's come to the city of Dubai. The looks, how it was built, and then how clean the city is. Do you think that it is something we can achieve back home in Ghana?
Yeah, I believe we can achieve it in Ghana. It will take some time, but all we have to do is to commit to it and start.
So, I mean, in your own view, what are some of the key things that you think that if we stick to it, or I mean, if our leaders should look at that direction, we can actually make Ghana look like Dubai? Some of the major factors that you think that as Ghanaians, if we stick to this, or if we look in that direction, we can make Ghana look or even get better than Dubai. Because, I mean, when I came in here, I can see that we have the sky here. Ghana has a sky. We have sun. We have the land. We even have even more. We have the resources there.
Yeah.
I mean, natural resources, the human resources. I mean, I can see that most of the people working here are from other nationalities, right?
Yeah.
But I think Ghanaians, we have so much people in the country that can actually even do all these stuffs.
Yeah.
So what would be your, your word to the leaders that I think if we go this direction, we can make Ghana a better place even than Dubai?
I'll start from a simple note. I think care for the nation.
Yeah.
Care. If our leaders care about the nation, they will commit to developing it. That's it. The leaders of Dubai care about Dubai. They care so much about Dubai because this is where they are born. This is where they are bred. So if you have a girlfriend, if you have a wife, if you have a child and you care about the child, you take good care of it. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. So let me put that away. Now, I think it's a 50-50 thing. We as a people have to commit to it and the leaders have to commit to it. But the leaders hold the power. And I think one of the things they should look at is infrastructure. Yeah, infrastructure. They should look at healthcare. They should look at education. I think these three things. If the majority are educated, then there will be enough skilled labor. If there's good healthcare, we wouldn't have mothers dying through birth. Yes. And if there's infrastructure, fruits from the markets or from the farms will get to the markets early and we'll have fresh food to eat. These things connect to build, a better nation. But I think all in all, we can do it. Some of the things we should also look at is maintenance. I think we don't care for the things that we own or the things that we have. We break things up easily. Here in Dubai, when the government builds something, it stays for a very long time and it serves generations, it serves people. And that saves a lot of money as well. We don't have to spend lots of billions of dollars this year. And then next year, or next 2 years, or next 4 years, another government comes, and then we spend another billions of dollars for something that doesn't even matter sometimes. And also the last thing I would say is accountability. Accountability. If we have someone who's heading a committee for a project, the leader has to be accountable, held accountable. So I think these are the things you can look at.
Yeah, there is something that I realized when we went to the old